Hey everyone, today in this video we are learning about UseState Hook in reactjs. This video will be very interesting, so please watch till the end.
Nice, bro. Can you explain in detail? Because I'm beginning to this.
Yeah, sure. So let me start with something which you have experienced in your life. You ever had a trouble keeping track of things while coding?
Oh, yeah. Like when I forget where I park my car.
Well, fear not. We have got something called UseState Hook in React to help us out. Imagine this, you are making a React app and you need to remember something important, like how many candies you have eaten.
Oh, boy. I love candies.
That's where UseState comes in handy. It helps us remember stuff easily in our code.
So it's like a helpful friend who reminds you of things.
Exactly. And UseState is really helpful friend. Let me start with simple example. Currently I'm in this folder. As you can see in the terminal, I will create my first React app. Before that, make sure you have installed Node.js in your machine. If not, please go to nodejs.org and install latest version of Node.js. To check whether you have installed Node.js, please run node-version. If you have got some numbers in the result, means Node.js installed in your machine. Now, using command called npx space create react app space my app, it will create my first React app with the name of my app. Now my React app has been created. We have folder called node modules. This folder contains all the installed React libraries. And inside public folder, we can store all the public files like images and favicons. In SRC, we actually write our code in React. Open new terminal. To start application, enter npm start, which will open our React app in the Chrome tab. So here, app.js is the main file. I'll remove the remaining things. To explain about UseState Hook, I will create a file called cookiecounter.jsx. Either you can name it as .jsx or js. Import UseState from React library. We'll create a new function called cookieCounter and export it as default. Import cookieCounter in app.js file and integrate cookieCounter inside this file. Now we can see our heading called cookieCounter. And let me integrate UseState Hook inside cookieCounter. We have cookie and set cookie here. The cookie will store the value of the state and set cookie is the function which helps to set the value of the cookie. I'll create one button called +1 cookie which will increase the number of cookie by 1. To make it functional, I'll use onClick event. Inside that, I will use setCookie method where it will increase the cookie value by 1. I'll display the value of cookie in paragraph tag. To test it, I will click on that button. So as you can see, the cookie value is increased if I click on that button. I'll create one more button which will reset the value of cookie to 0. So let me name it as reset. And once if I click on that, the value of cookie should be 0. So I'll set it as 0. I create one more button to decrease the cookie value by 1. So I'll create one more button called -1 cookie, which will decrease the value of cookie by 1. Yeah, it's working. Hope you liked the video and learned something from this video. See you in the next video.